With the Galaxy Z Fold 8 lineup, Samsung isn't being bold or visionary, it's being reactive. The company is clearly lining up a two-device strategy for one simple reason: to blunt the impact of the iPhone Fold before Apple completely hijacks the foldable narrative. Leaks make it obvious that 2026 won't just bring a predictable Fold 8 refresh, but also a new wide passport-style fold that exists almost entirely because Apple is finally stepping into the category. According to supply chain chatter and mock-ups shared by Ice Universe, Samsung has quietly scrapped its earlier square display experiments. Instead, Samsung has landed on a 4:3 aspect ratio that mirrors Apple's reported design so closely it borders on copy-paste territory. CAD comparisons show nearly identical proportions, very similar screen sizes, and a body that's even wider than the original Pixel Fold, once criticized for being awkwardly wide itself. The rumored measurements underline the point: a 5.4-inch cover screen and a 7.6-inch inner display that line up almost perfectly with Apple's expected 5.35-inch outer screen and 7.58-inch inner panel. Samsung reportedly tested this passport-style format internally and received overwhelmingly positive responses. Conveniently, that feedback seems to have killed the square display idea overnight and accelerated development of a design that happens to shadow Apple's plans. Sources say both Fold 8 models will stick with punch-hole cameras on the cover display, while Apple may leap ahead with an under-display camera internally. Once again, Samsung looks content staying just behind instead of leading. On paper, Samsung may still flex some hardware muscle. Camera leaks suggest a 200-megapixel primary sensor paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, while Apple is expected to keep things conservative with a dual-camera setup led by a 48-megapixel main sensor, according to Digital Chat Station. Wireless charging could also favor Samsung, with rumors pointing to 25-watt wireless charging via Qi 2.2 and built-in magnets for proper MagSafe-style accessories, something Samsung users have wanted without hacks for years. There's also talk of S Pen support making a return, but that rumor is flimsy at best, unsupported by reliable leakers, and sounding more like wishful thinking than reality. The company has been selling foldables since 2019, yet spent years ignoring clear user demand for wider displays. Only now, when Apple is about to enter the market, does Samsung suddenly discover that people like passport-style designs. The irony is impossible to ignore. Both Fold 8 models are expected to arrive in the second half of 2026 alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 8. The Fold 8 Wide is likely to sit above the regular Fold, probably starting well north of $1,900, while Apple's first foldable is rumored to blow past $2,000. One thing is clear: Samsung isn't pushing boundaries here. It's bracing for impact.